You can expect a lot from the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Mercedes-Benz infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.